Hello everyone, welcome to Trading Solutions. So today I am going to show you how you can remove a background. Two ways on how to remove a background using your image. So I have an image here. I'd like to make this bigger first. There are a lot of ways actually to remove the background. So for example, let's use this image. Non-vector image. So that one. So we have the layer here. We have one layer. So first way is by using the transparency. So go to Windows, transparency. So we have make mask. Uncheck this clip, and now we have two thumbnail. The mask thumbnail and the original image. So we will click this one, the thumbnail, because this is what we are editing, the mask. If we edit this one, it's a permanent edit. But if you re-edit this one, you can redo. For example, you mistakenly remove some part of the image, you can always redo it. Okay, so click this one and then go to brush. I use blob tool and make sure this stroke is black. Okay, so brush it. So you can make the brush bigger by hitting the bracket on your keyboard. If you don't know, this is the bracket sign. This one, bigger or smaller brush. It just hit it one. So that's it. So to check if it's transparent, just click this one and selection, then drag. As you can see, it's transparent. So the other way is by using clipping mask. So click use this one pen tool, and then let's check the layer so that you can see, and you can see some layers. So by clicking this one, pen tool, trace, for example, like that. Okay, so if you close it, it will create a path layer here. So highlight both, highlight and then click this, and then right click, make clipping mask. So that's it. As you can see, we have this one, the one layer for the clipping mask and one layer for the original. Okay, so that's it. You can adjust this clipping path by doing like that, or adding control. So that's it. If you find this helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.